Yeah, Blackstone flour rice. It's called. This rice has a unique spice. It's spiced with a lichen. It's usually a hillbilly spice. Uh, Only hillbillies and like real Appalachian men know about the uses of lichens. So it has a whole lot of lichens. Yes, uh, it tastes exceptionally good. It gives it a good aroma, and it's supposed to have a whole lot of medical benefits. Well, there's other things over here, sesame seeds, peanuts, and of course we need some pickles. Pickles, pickles. That's all you need. It's so intense. You can eat this whole rice with that.